GoPro Hero 8 Black. Beyond next level. Now it is possible to add lights, microphone and front display. Digital lenses. Now it's easier to get the best view of whatever you are doing. Tap through 4 lenses: narrow, distortion-free linear, wide and super view. Hyper Smooth 2. A radical enhancement to Hyper Smooth. Hyper Smooth 2 now has multiple levels of stabilization, including boost and game-changing in-app horizon leveling. Time Warp 2. Get that surreal time warp effect you love, now with automatic speed selection. Or just tap to speed it up or slow it down. Super Photo with improved HDR. Crank up the contrast, kill the blur and shred. The revamped algorithm delivers badass action shots with detail that you never thought possible. Live Burst. Live Burst mode captures 1.5 seconds before and after you hit the shutter, so you can pick the perfect shot from 90 still images. Or share a 3-second 4K video clip. Night Lapse Video. Harness that nighttime magic in 4K, 2.7K, 1440p or 1080p. And watch the scene come alive with epic detail. Rugged and waterproof. When you won't play rough, Hero 8 Black is always game. And it's completely waterproof down to 10 meters. Voice commands. Go hands-free with 14 voice commands like GoPro, start recording. Or wake the camera up with GoPro, turn on. 1080p live streaming is possible now. It has a higher capacity lithium-ion battery than the one used in the Hero 7 Black. When continuously shooting in 4K at high frame rates, the battery will last around 50 minutes. Curved adhesive mount. This can be used for fixing the GoPro in car dashboard area or in motorbike. USB-C cable for charging the battery, but charger is not included. Thumb screw for fixing. It has a size of 66.3 mm in length, 48.6 mm height, and a depth of 8 mm. Unlike other models, GoPro 8 is coming with a built-in folding mounting. Battery compartment with removable type door. Both the memory card slot and charging slot are inside the same door. Initializing for the first time. Setup for language and legal stuff. Now going to connect with the GoPro app. Capture, edit, share, repeat. The GoPro app automatically creates awesome edits, and makes it easy to share them with the world. This is not a review, just an unboxing video and a brief specification. Have a great day. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.